Hi, Kuya.
Thank you for my spaghetti. You have this one too,
Thank
guys.
you, Mr.
The
Daddy.
peach mango too.
I want it.
So thank you, Kuya Herbert, for my spaghetti.
Don't bring it up and then put it back in. Happy birthday, Kuya. And yum, 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 yum.
Your water. This is your CJ. CJ love it. He like the mango pie.
Nice. TJ, is it good?
Yeah? It's good.
Peach mango pie. Gusto ni CJ. Ay, wait lang. Kay ate yang. You want me to give it to him?
What? What? Wait.
The pie? You want the peach mango pie?
No.
Okay.
You didn't finish the other one, bud.
I eat it. Thank you po. So, happy birthday, Kuya Herbert.
I already said that.
Are you dead?
I'm going to Kuya.
I put our map on it. Where'd our map go? Oh, there it is.
You didn't want to this thing? No? Okay.
Sweet pepper lettuce.
Package.
Make sure you put your trash in the plastic. Happy birthday, Bert! Happy birthday! Ayan si CJ. Si CJ ang kumain sa peach mango pie. Favorite talaga niya to.
Hey, why do you like to watch like Blue? It's your favorite. Mm-hmm.
Hmm?
Daddy.
What happened? You want chicken? Oh, ito lang. Walang ano. Ito, oh. Here. Here, that's yours. Paigoy, oh.
I'm done. I'm saving that. For later. Now I wash my hands. I'm washing the food.
Are you done spaghetti?
Yes.
Okay. Isip daw niya mamaya, mga kaibigan. Mayroon siyang tira dito, isi-save niya. Ilagay ko lang ito sa rep. Good job, Goy. Nainom ka ba ng tubig? Hmm? Tubig si Jen. Inom mo na. Uy! Tama na. Tubig mo na.
Wash your hands.
Yes. Yes, I did.
Ako na ang upo. Sa wakas, nakaupo na ako.
Good job.
Sige mga kaibigan. Musta po? Hindi. Papapasok lang namin dito. Kasi bumili kami ng maraming tubig. Bumili kami ng maraming tubig ba? Kasi sa labas kami bumili. Kaya mahal ang tubig dito. Very good si Jen. Si Hi. Ito ala.
Mommy, I'm
Tubig.
saving my.
Yeah, you're saving your, nandyan lang.
I'm saving my spaghetti.
Yeah, it's right here.
I saved.
Mamaya na. What are you watching?
Bluey.
Oh.
I wanna watch Mickey Mouse.
Stop. That's what's on. You don't have that. You don't have. We're not like that home. It doesn't have that.
Yan, labas dito. Yung labas dito ay para siyang para siyang mapuno. May swimming pool doon. Ayan. Yung view niya is mapuno. Ayan, ngayon lang kami nakapunta. Mga bata. Birthday kasi ni Agoy-Agoy, mga kaibigan. Kain muna kay tanghalian. Beb, si Ginny change.
Changing.
Hindi ba change si Jay? Kain muna ako doon, ha? Bilisan ko lang.
Trying to figure out the map.
Bigyan mo sa kanya, yung isa. Ay, nabasa pala si CG sa tubig. Nabasa si Junior sa tubig, mga kaibigan, ng kanyang nabasa, oh.
Monkey jumping in the.
Bear, no jumping.
Why? My boy.
Mickey Mouse don't want that.
Oh, these toys.
Napagod si Dada. Ah, wag mo ano yung telepon.
Ow!
You just get out of there.
Wag ano yung telepon kay Sus. Salamat sa birthday greetings ni Tiziana.
I'm using the book.
Oh, birthday ni Agoy.
CJ. Stop.
Ayaw si Jen.
A bridge!
No, it's not a break.
What is that? Unod na sila.
CJ. Stop.
I need book.
I'm gonna smack your hand. You're gonna get your hand stuck in the drawer.
I need that book. I want to use the
Si Mickey Mouse. Hindi ko makabigan. Bilisan ko man si Jen. Tapusin ko lang ito matapon nito. Thank you po. Hugas mo akong kamay. Hugas mo na siya ng kamay. Basta. Hugas mo na mama ang kamay. Okay. Okay, higap na. Bye-bye po mga kaibigan. Balik lang ako. Salamat po.